In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to move around items in the SP Page Builder program. So in this instance, what we're going to do, we're going to keep the heading where it is. We're going to put the text here on the left-hand side. We'll put the picture on the right-hand side and leave the call today where it is. So the first thing that we do, we've got all these in one giant row at the moment. So we need to create another couple rows. So our first row, which will be at the top, we're going to put that text called my landing page, which is just that there. So I'm going to get that, and all we need to do is drag that, because all these are separate elements. That's the text, that's another text block, that's an image and a button. So we'll get it and we'll just drag it from there to there. Next thing that we're going to do is add another row and put the button in that row. So when we add a new row, it always goes to the bottom, as you can see here. So we'll get the button and we'll drag it to that one. Now just so you can see what it's done so far, we'll just click save and I'll refresh. So as you can see, it's just separated some of the elements out. And we'll modify the padding in a second. So from there, what we need to do is go to our text block here. We need to break this so it's got two halves. So this little icon here, which says add and manage columns, we're going to click that once and we can select all these different types of shapes that we like. I'm just going to choose this one here, which is two halves. The numbers always need to add up to 12, so you could actually have 5 plus 7, 7 plus 5 as well as one of these standard sizes. As you can see, we've got two halves now. So I'm going to leave my text here, I'm going to get my image, and I'm going to drag it to this side here. So now I'm going to click save and refresh. Okay, so this block here obviously had a bit of text with it already, not just the word my landing page. So if I open that up and click edit, as you can see, it's got a text heading up there and then it's got some text down here. So I'm just going to delete that text and click save or apply and save. You've always got to click save so you can see what changes have been made. Okay, there you go. So that we've split it in two. The last thing you might need to do is edit the padding. So to edit the padding, we just need to edit the row itself. So here's the row. We go into row options, and under the style tab, there's an option called padding, and by default it always starts as 50, 0, 50. So just delete those. We'll save that. I'll just refresh. And that will remove the padding for the first row, and you can do that for the second and the third row also if you wish.